Nice to have all of you here.
So you did really great job.
I'm really proud of all of you.
High five to everybody.
Thank you for everything you've done.
I will try. Thank you very much.
Extremely helpful.
This is very, very good.
Really fantastic.
A really great experience.
Oh, wow. We can actually do that?
How does everyone write so fast?
Use AI. Yeah, exactly.
That's what we are using AI.
Using Google Colabs and Python, it's just really nice to see like a high level.
Because to me, this is to level my career goals.
It's really been phenomenal, one of the best courses I've done.